Hey guys, how are you all? Once upon a time, HTC was a leading smartphone manufacturer. So HTC was not in race of the leading smartphone manufacturers, and now suddenly it has announced two new smartphones which are the mid-range camera phones called HTC U19e and HTC U19 Plus. In this video, I'll talk about HTC U19 Plus. Starting with the display of HTC U19 Plus, it has got 6.2 inches of HD Plus display with a water drop notch. So this could be the HTC's first phone with water drop notch that we had seen. Coming to its performance, this HTC U19 Plus is powered by Mediatek Helio P35 chipset coupled with 4GB or 6GB of RAM. The internal storage is 64GB that you can expand up to 256GB. HTC U19 Plus has got a triple rear camera with a 13MP main sensor, 8MP of ultra wide angle sensor and a 5MP of depth sensor. This is the HTC's first phone with a triple rear camera setup, and there is an 16MP of selfie camera. HTC U19 Plus will be available first in Taiwan in the month of July for an $250 to $300 price in the international market, and it will be launched in other countries in the month of August 2019. So this is all about HTC Desire U19 Plus, which is an mid-range or a budget device from HTC. Hope HTC does good with these two phones, HTC U19 Plus and HTC U19e. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.